Now for this chassis, I plan to run independent front suspension and independent rear. Hey guys, welcome to Revolution XRC and welcome to my next build series. Now what I have here is the Scale Metal Supplies Rokalope frame rail chassis. So this is going to be an interesting build for me. I can't wait to get started. So this is the Scale Metal Supplies Rokalope chassis that is made for four-wheel steer. You can see that it's got clearance for the front and the rear for those steering components for the axles. So this is going to be a fun build. Now for this chassis, I plan to run independent front suspension and independent rear suspension. So for that, I'll be using the Element RC IFS2 setup. I've got one here that I'll use, and the other one I'm just going to rob off of my Element Neutron. So not much to say right now. Just wanted to give you an intro to my next build series, the Scale Metal Supplies Rokalope IFS IRS rig. And these are the rails. I'll put a link to these in the description below, and stay tuned for future updates on this build. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates on this Scale Metal Supplies Rokalope build.